everybody. In today's video, we are going to talk about Black Friday, how to maximize your pattern sales as a crochet designer. So Black Friday is just around the corner and it's one of the best times of the year for businesses to shine. As crochet designers, we too should be taking advantage of this. So I've got some tips to help you crush it this year. So grab your coffee or tea and let's chat about how to make this Black Friday your best one yet as a designer. I want to help you double your revenue this month without doubling your work. So what you'll learn today is number 1, the secret to making record-breaking pattern sales this Black Friday. Number 2, the ultimate framework for stress-free success. Number 3, why Black Friday is the golden opportunity for crochet designers that they cannot miss. So if you have nodded yes, keep on watching because this video is definitely for you. Before we start, do you want to keep on growing your crochet design business even after Black Friday is over? You can join the Designer's Digest, a free weekly newsletter packed with 52 weeks of actionable business tips, marketing strategies, insider advice on creating and selling your patterns and to help you level up your designer journey all year long. You can sign up now. The link is in the description box below. So here's what I've learned in my 5 years as a crochet designer. It's not enough to just say 20 off in your shop and then wait for sales. Here's the truth. Offering a blanket 20 off sale might seem like the easiest option, but it's not enough anymore. With so many designers doing the same thing, your offer can get easily lost in the crowd. Shoppers today are looking for deals that stand out. Something unique like pattern bundles, exclusive offers, or added value that feels irresistible to them. If your offer doesn't catch their attention, they'll move on to someone else who does. So let me guess, you're probably feeling some of these right now. You're overwhelmed just thinking about planning your campaign, deciding what to post, and not knowing where to start. You're worried about coming off as too salesy or awkward when promoting your offers. You've missed out on the past opportunities because you didn't have a clear Black Friday strategy. I want you to know this. You're not alone in the challenges you are facing. In fact, knowing that you're experiencing these challenges is actually exciting for me because it tells me that today's video is going to be very helpful for you. Why Black Friday is the golden opportunity crochet designers cannot afford to miss. So it might seem like Black Friday is all about big retail brands with flashy sales. But as crochet designers, we have just as much reason to step up. Our customers are looking for amazing deals too, and they deserve the excitement and the value that everyone else is also getting. Personally, I wait all year for Black Friday to get the great yarn deals or grab the patterns I've bookmarked at a discount. Buying makes me happy, deals make me happy, and let's be honest, Black Friday is all about creating a win-win moment for both the buyers and the sellers. This is a huge shopping day. It's your chance to put your patterns in front of excited, motivated customers who have been waiting for these kinds of offers all year long. Whether you already have plans or are starting to think about Black Friday, I'll help you find clarity and increase your profits. That's my only goal. So let's work smarter, not harder, and make your patterns stand out and sell this year. So first, I want to talk about a quick note about selling with integrity. When we sell with integrity, we are offering genuine solutions that our audiences values. By creating offers with care and with respect, sales become not about pressure but about connection and joy. So let's give our customers the deals that they deserve and ensure that our business thrives in the process. When we succeed, we can give more back. We can give back to our community, to the world, and to ourselves. We must remember we cannot pour from an empty cup. So let's talk about the 4 reasons why Black Friday is important. Number 1, ready to buy audience. On Black Friday, shoppers are actively looking for deals and are ready to spend. Many buyers, including me, have been waiting for this event to start their holiday shopping, making them more likely to take advantage of your offers. Many are looking for crochet patterns to create handmade, unique gifts for the holidays, cozy projects for themselves, or simply a relaxing creative outlet amongst the end of the year rush. So, if you skip Black Friday, you skip extra visibility and sales, and your patterns remain unseen by these eager buyers. Reason number 2, get a cash injection before the year ends. So on Black Friday, we drive a high volume of sales within a short period. This concentrated income boost makes a big impact on our monthly revenue and provides extra income to invest in our business and even fund our next home project or buy presents. This event is a chance to drive sales on bundles and larger offers as our customers are looking to make special purchases that they may not have considered otherwise. And this is a very nice way to end our year. Skipping it means leaving money on the table. Number 3, expand your reach and build a loyal following. So by promoting your patterns during Black Friday, you attract new customers who may not have previously known about your brand. This visibility helps you reach a larger audience, build brand awareness, and encourages buyers to follow you for future pattern releases and updates. New customers gained during Black Friday may become raving fans who are excited to see what else you have to offer throughout the year. So skipping it means losing potential customers that could have been your raving fans. Number 4, reward and reconnect with your loyal customers. So this is an opportunity for us to serve our customers. Black Friday is a great time to show them your appreciation, offer exclusive discounts, early access or bonus patterns that are exclusive, and they make your current customers feel valued like they are by you. Encouraging your customers with special perks not only helps to boost your sales but also strengthens their loyalty to your brand and makes them more likely to choose you in the future over all the competition. Now that we know why we need to participate as designers in Black Friday, let's talk about how to maximize our pattern sales this Black Friday. To make the most of Black Friday, we don't want to throw spaghetti on the wall because it will not stick and it will get very messy. We want a neat and clean plan that number 1 attracts buyers, number 2 encourages engagement, and number 3 simplifies the entire process for our buyers and for us. So let's see what we have to do. Step number 1. Plan your offers with intention. Choose offers that resonate with your audience. They should be something that your audience is happy to buy and wants to buy, and that will maximize your potential for sales. So how can you do this? First, highlight your best-selling patterns. Take a look at your sales data and identify which patterns have been the most popular throughout the year. These are the ones that will perform the best during Black Friday since they already appeal to your audience. Then create pattern bundles. Bundling related patterns such as holiday decor, winter accessories, or beginner-friendly projects, and so on. And you can price them in a way that's irresistibly attractive to customers while keeping your profit margins healthy. This gives customers added value. You can also offer limited time exclusives. Create an exclusive pattern or bundle that's available only during Black Friday. Customers will want to act quickly knowing that it's a limited offer that will disappear and they don't want to miss it because it's so great. Step number 2. Execute with the perfect strategy. And we're going to use my 3-step framework for success for this. So, number 1 is the pre-launch. We're going to build anticipation and we're going to set ourselves up for success. The pre-launch phase is your opportunity to build excitement, prime your audience, and set the stage for a successful Black Friday sale. Your goal here is to engage your customers early, creating a buzz and a sense of anticipation that makes them look forward to your sale. Pre-launch can make or break your Black Friday sale. So what are some engagement tactics to build excitement? You can tease the sale on social media, share sneak peeks on social media channels of patterns that will be a part of your sale, use close-up shots, behind the scenes insights and inspirations behind the patterns to spark curiosity. Create posts that generate excitement and make your audience eager for what's to come. Use interactive content, poll your followers to find out which patterns they'd love to see on sale, or set up a countdown for Black Friday. Interactive elements not only help keep your brand visible, but they also provide you with valuable insights into which offers resonate most with your audience and what they are looking for. Ensure your listings are ready to sell. Make the customer's journey from browsing and purchasing as easy and enjoyable as possible. So, you're going to update and optimize your listings, add fresh, high quality photos where needed, update your description, and add clear descriptions so that everyone knows what your pattern is exactly. Be sure to feature any special bundles or discounts in the listing titles and or photos and descriptions. Create a seamless checkout process. So whether you sell on Etsy, Ravelry or your own website, you want to make sure that the checkout process is streamlined. Test it ahead of time to eliminate any unnecessary steps and confirm that your discount codes work correctly. So let's talk about the second phase, which is launch. Going live and driving sales immediately. When Black Friday arrives, it's time to execute your high energy launch. Be ready to go all in with your promotions to drive immediate sales and keep the excitement alive. This is a very high energy promotion. Announce it with a bang. Kick off your sale with an excited email to your subscribers, that is, if you have an email marketing service, and an eye-catching social media post if you post on social media. Highlight the main offers, time-limited deals, and the unique value of your Black Friday sale. Tell the customers what they will be getting and why it's valuable to them. You are also going to create urgency. Remind your audience of the sale expiration with countdown timers, reminders, and clear calls to action. You want to let them know when your awesome offer or offers will go away. They will be sad to have missed it. I know I track all the Black Friday sales and get very sad if I miss any. You're going to respond quickly. Be responsive to customer questions on social media and in your inbox. Addressing inquiries promptly can boost your conversions and it can reassure potential buyers. Leverage social proof. So share your customer testimonial or feedback to create trust and confidence. Suppose someone praises your pattern, you're going to share it on social media. A customer is more likely to purchase from you if they like and trust you. I want to give you a small preparation tip before we move forward. You're going to create and schedule your social media posts and emails before the launch. Pre-planning saves time and prevents the last-minute overwhelm, making it easier to stay consistent throughout the sale. Many times we get overwhelmed and stop posting completely and disappear from social media. We do not want this to happen for us. So let's talk about the last phase, which is post-launch, which is equally important, following up and building lasting customer relationships. The post-launch phase focuses on nurturing the connections you have made during the sale. This is your chance to turn the one-time Black Friday buyers into loyal repeat customers and set the groundwork for future success of your business. You can thank the customers with a follow-up email. Send a heartfelt thank you to everyone who purchased from you. Show appreciation for their support and express excitement to see what they'll create with your patterns. This personal touch builds goodwill and shows your customers that you're all about putting them first. Encourage social sharing. Invite your customers to share photos of their finished projects using a hashtag or tagging you. Not only does this build the community feel, but it also expands your reach as new potential followers see these creations of yours. Invite customers to stay connected. Extend an invitation to join your newsletter or follow you on social media for future updates, patterns, and exclusive offers. Turning Black Friday customers into regular followers strengthens your brand's support base and prepares them for future promotions. Now you're going to reflect and improve. Once the sale wraps up, take some time to review how everything went. Look at what worked well for you, pinpoint the areas you can improve, and use this knowledge to improve your future sales. Let's talk about why most designers struggle to execute these steps. The truth is, knowing what to do is only half the battle. Success comes from having a clear plan, confidence in your approach, and support to stay on track. So it's easy to feel overwhelmed by all the moving pieces and not knowing where to start. You might get stuck wondering if your offers are good enough and second guess your decisions, or you might have all the ideas but no clear roadmap or timeline to bring them to life. So that's where my designer's Black Friday success kit comes in. I'm so excited. I've taken everything you need to know about creating offers, marketing them effectively, and executing a seamless Black Friday campaign and turned it into a simple step-by-step process. You won't just learn what to do, you'll get the exact tools, templates, and support to actually do it. So, this simple course is designed to help you plan, execute, and maximize your Black Friday sale with ease and create an additional revenue boost that will end your year strong as a designer. So, I just want to give you a quick preview of what is inside the designer's Black Friday Success Kit, the 5-day Black Friday roadmap customized for you. How to build irresistible offers that sell like hotcakes. The 3-step framework for Black Friday success. Your fail-proof Black Friday timeline and plan designed to guide you every step of the way even if you start late. Black Friday swipe files so that you know exactly what to post. How to make big sales even with a little audience. And in a bonus module you have secrets to bulletproof your Black Friday campaign. If you want to check out the details for the designer's Black Friday Success Kit, the link is in the description box below. I want to help you make this your best Black Friday yet. So you can check it out if you want. And see you in the next video. Bye friends.